In school, year 9 went downhill because I met new people that was just not good for me. Started doing bad stuff, bunking, being disrespectful. They brought me to isolation. I was always getting excluded. Stopped listening to my mum or my parents. My mum was always asking me like, are you okay? What's going on with you? I used to never be like this. Like, a bit worried. I thought in my mindset like, oh, what's the point of me trying now? Because I've already failed on everything in life. I'm not even going to get nowhere in life. I had that regret in myself. Then my cousin told me about Nacro. She was like, why don't you come? Alright, I'll give Nacro a go. Came here in September. I just wanted to be myself, but I was scared that what people would judge me. What about if I get bullied? September, I just didn't do nothing. Ellie spoke with me. She was like, come on, put an effort in. I don't want you to like fail in life. I want to actually help you succeed in life. And since that time, I've been putting my head down, did my course. I completed units. I got distinction, the highest. We do like woodwork, electric as well. And downstairs is like plumbing and construction. Yeah, I learned a lot from Nacro and I passed English. Did my maths exam. I need a bit of improvement. I haven't passed, but I know I'm gonna put in that effort. It's really good for your health and mental health at the same time because you learn so much. Nacro taught me teamwork, especially in construction. Like every time we do like bricklaying, you need teamwork just to help each other.
What are you hoping to do in the future?
Maybe one day like build a whole house for a family that they need. Build like a homeless shelter. Help out the community.
How would you describe Nacro in one word?
Helpful. I do have something going on with my life, but I don't let that stop me. And I thank Kelly for that, for actually trying to help me with that. I've done so much since September now. I've improved so much. I'm telling you now, Nacro is the best place that I've ever been. There's so much people that actually care for you, that can actually get you that support, help that you need so you can achieve something in life.